After the review process, so now the editor let the reviewers have the paper. These are the 5 major points for getting a rejection. The first one is lack of novelty. And once again, I want to reinforce, it is not enough to have a novel paper if you don't write it. You have to let the reader know that it should be right away. It should be something that's seen right away. It shouldn't be on your results. It shouldn't be on your discussion. It needs to be on your abstract and introduction. So the second point is your methodology is not replicable. So if it's just small details that you can implement and then improve, probably you're not going to get a rejection. The third point is poor discussion, not enough sharing results of other people or contrasting or evaluating other results. And then we have poor quality, bad presentation, and poor writing. And these 3 are highly interconnected. And students often think that having good results is enough, and it's not. We are in a field that we have to communicate science, and a paper is communication. So if you don't do a good job communicating the science you made, it's not going to be accepted, and it will be perceived as a bad job. And the 6th one, it's lack of luck. Maybe you just got a reviewer that was really tough on you. Maybe your reviewer did not understand your paper at all, or did not make the effort to read through it with the quality it was required from them. It is important that you understand that sometimes your paper will be rejected and it will be unfair.